And as we reported, President Trump answered, "I don't know," when asked if everyone on U.S. soil is entitled to due process and whether he thinks he has to uphold the Constitution as president. The Fifth Amendment of the U.S. Constitution reads in part, quote, "No person shall be compelled in any criminal case to be a witness against himself, nor be deprived of life, liberty, or property without due process of law." CBS News legal contributor and Loyola Law School professor Jessica Levinson joins us now. So, Jessica, let's go ahead and set the record straight on the Constitution. Does the Fifth Amendment mean everyone, citizen and non-citizen alike, is entitled to due process?
That's how it's been interpreted. There are places in the Constitution where we say person. There are places where we say citizen. This is a place where we say, and we have interpreted this clause and a mirror clause in the 14th Amendment to mean people, period, regardless of status.
So in terms of this is the way it has been interpreted, what would the final straw be? Would the administration conceivably go to the high court and say, we need you to define this for us?
Certainly they could. And certainly I think we see a number of different places where the administration is making an argument that the court reinterpret constitutional terms and or statutory provisions or interpret them more broadly. And or another way of putting it is revisit. Due process is one of those things that dating back really to the 1800s and the clause in the 14th Amendment related to due process as well that serves as a protection against states, where we have understood that this includes citizens and non-citizens. And I emphasize that only to say this would be a pretty radical reinterpretation of the Constitution if the Supreme Court did, in fact, decide to go that way.
Okay. I also want to ask you about the president's executive order cutting federal funding for PBS and NPR. The CEO of PBS spoke on Face the Nation about the impacts if this order is enforced.
What's at risk are our stations, our public television, our public radio stations across the country. We get 15% of our funding from the federal government. That's 15%, but that's an aggregate number. Some of our stations in small communities, it's 40 to 50% of their funding, and for them it's existential.
Does the president have unilateral power to cut this funding, or does Congress have a role?
Congress has a role. Lindsay, you and I have talked about things like the Impoundment Act and the power of the executive to cut funding. So I'll just emphasize here, one, the Constitution absolutely envisions and requires that Congress be consulted when it comes to these issues, right? Because Congress has the power of the purse. The other thing is that NPR and PBS are funded by the Corporation for Public Broadcasting. So as I see it, what you would really need to do is shut down that Corporation for Public Broadcasting. And again, here is where I think the president, any president, cannot act alone, but instead needs to work with Congress. You can certainly, as the president, propose a budget that eviscerates the Corporation for Public Broadcasting. But of course, we know Congress has a role to play when it comes to budgetary decisions like this.
Jessica Levinson, thank you.